So the camera is on and it is working. Let me take a picture. Hey guys, so today I'm repairing my old Panasonic camera. So this one is Panasonic Lumix, which got 8 megapixel sensor, and I bought this around $20, but it has a big issue. So the display of this device is not really good. So I have already done the hard part of the repair. So as you can see here, I have removed the polarizer. So you can see that the polarizer does not look that good. And now if I turn on, the display is working. That's good. Actually, it is quite difficult to disassemble the display because it got metal plate, and also the front plastic also adhere to the display, so it's quite tough to remove. Still, I managed to remove the display without damaging it. Now I need to check that with the new polarizer, is this display going to look good? Because I did repair few other cameras and it didn't really go that well, but one time I was successful, like when I changed the polarizer on my BlackBerry, that worked, but I don't really know this one will work or not. So let me turn it on. The battery is already inside, so it is turning on. As you can see here, the display is wide, and here is the polarizer. So if I check polarizer, now you can see the display clearly, and if you put the polarizer in a different angle, it will not show you a clear image. So when you are putting polarizer also, you need to be very careful about putting a polarizer. Even if you put it in different side, as you can see here, it will give you different image. And maybe this time this polarizer will work perfectly fine here and the display will look good. And let me do the process. So let me turn it off. I need to clean the display actually. And this is actually kind of dangerous because it got a big capacitor here and it take charges. So if you touch anything here, you might get shock, and it's quite nasty actually. I did get that many times. So that experience I have. Let me remove the display. So this display got a removable backlight, so you can change the backlight if it get damaged. This is the backlight cable and the display cable. Then keep this aside, and I can now remove the backlight. As you can see here, backlight, and let me keep it like this. There is a metal plate here actually, so the display looks like this right now, and I have to clean the display before putting the polarizer. So I have to put the polarizer like this. As you know, if I put like this, it will not work. Obviously it will work, but it will show that distorted kind of image. Now I will be using the alcohol, and it's a little tough, and I can use, because this one is actually glass, so I'm using a blade to clean the adhesive. So done with whole display assembly. Now I have to, actually, as you can see here, there are a few bubbles here. It's not really because of my application of the polarizer. The polarizer is actually has some like band, because I bought this polarizer maybe 2 years ago, so they are just in my desk. So because of that, actually this happened. But still, this actually is much better than what it was. So I'm completely okay with this little bubble, because you will not see them when the camera is actually working. Anyway, that's it for the display. Now I have to clean the lens also. So this lens, as you can see here, this looks pretty gross, and I have to apply some adhesive also. Let's clean this one first. So finally done. Let's try now. It took me around 1.5 hours actually. White display. Yes, I did not like close the cable, and that's kind of funny actually. Buttons working. Yeah. So the camera is on and it is working. Let me take a picture. By the way, the flash on this camera is not working for some reason. I'm not going to fix that issue, because I don't really need flash to take picture with this one. Obviously, I'm going to take daylight photos only. For this, maybe that's okay, because if I disassemble this further, I might break something. As I said, it's kind of risky to remove the capacitor of this kind of cameras, because you can get shock. But anyway, the camera is working, and if you have cameras like this, like older stuff, if the display is okay but it is look like crack or anything like that, then you can replace the polarizer and the camera will work. But it is a little bit difficult side to work with. You might damage the display, or you might damage your camera, because this kind of cameras are a little difficult to disassemble. This one is quite straightforward, but I did work with few Samsung cameras. Those are pretty difficult. Anyway, this one is working well. Maybe in the future I will make a review video of this tiny camera. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.